What's up guys, welcome to Titico, and today we'll be doing a quick unboxing of an Elite 7 Pro from Jabra. Now the Elite 7 Pro is the flagship model of Jabra. It claims that it can play music and calls on up to 9 hours of battery life, and with the case it can reach up to 35 hours. It supports fast charging and wireless charging. It has adjustable active noise cancellation and hear-through features. It has multi-sensor voice. So let's open this one up. Okay. Get started. Download the free Jabra Sound Plus app to connect with your smartphone. Now this can connect with Android and Apple. Okay, now let's see. We've got here the different size of earbuds, Type-C cable, charging. Then we have here the actual unit. Comes in matte finish plastic. The inside has a velvet feel to it, and as you can see when you open the cap, it has green LED lights. Okay, now this is the size of the Jabra Elite 7 Pro with the case. This is for reference, okay? This can easily fit inside your pocket, so you can carry it anywhere. Now it says in the box that to get started with your Elite 7 Pro, you have to download the Jabra Sound Plus app. So I have it here. Okay. And press next. Alright, I have here the Elite 7 Pro. And pair with your phone. So let's see, Elite 7 Pro. Elite 7 Pro, okay. Elite 7 Pro, so it says here, take out the headset. So we'll take both earpiece out. Alright. Checking for connection. If we have a problem with this one, there's another method that we can use. You just have to manually press the earpiece like this. So we'll go on the Bluetooth setting and you have to press both earpiece for 3 seconds. There you go. Now you see there's a blue LED light. That means that it's ready to pair. There you go. It says here on my phone, Jabra Elite 7. So we will pair. Now that was quick and easy, and it says here, it also shows the battery life. It says 100% battery. Now we will try to do a quick sound test, and let me just show you this one, because usually TWS earbuds are touch sensitive, but with this one it has a proper clicker. There you go. Okay. You can actually feel when you're clicking on it or pressing the button on both earpiece. It's not touch sensitive. With this one, you can feel that you're actually doing the clicking motion. Okay, now we will try to do a quick sound test This is with free copyright music. Let's do this. Now that is at maximum volume. Now this one is, we will try to check if the bass is good. Alright. Now this is the Elite 7 Pro from Jabra. You'll be the judge if you like the sound quality. I'm using a Rode mic for this video. Check the bass. And with the Sound Class app, you can customize the equalizer and also the button functions of the TWS earbuds. Okay, I'll be including the list of the features in the video of this TWS earbuds. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video.